5, 4, 3, 2, start!
Russian news channels hailed Yuri Gagarin's launch as a momentous day for the Soviet Union.
On April the 12th, 1961, the Soviet Union launched Vostok, the world's first spaceship satellite into Earth's orbit, with a man on board. The pilot cosmonaut of the spaceship satellite Vostok is a citizen of the Union of the Soviet Socialist Republic, Major Yuri Gagarin Alexeyevich.
Летчик майор Гагарин Yuri Alexeyevich.
Today, on the 52nd anniversary of Gagarin's flight, Russian President Vladimir Putin pledged a £650 million boost to Russia's space program. This includes a new cosmodrome in the Amur region of the far east of Russia. Speaking from the construction site of the Vostochny Cosmodrome, Mr. Putin says that Russia hopes to have the first rocket launches from there in 2015, with the first manned launches in 2018.
This is a very special occasion, and I'm speaking from a construction site at Russia's future, biggest, state-of-the-art Vostochny Cosmodrome. I expect it to be used both by Russians and our fellow astronauts from the US, Europe and beyond. This is a very good launching site, and by 2015 we are planning to launch our first rockets, and by 2018 manned spacecraft.
Over the next 7 years, Mr. Putin says Russia would spend more than any other country on its space program. He says the new focus will be on unmanned deep space exploration to Mars, rather than manned space flights, on which 58% of the space budget was spent.
For more than half a century, our country has been one of the leading nations in the exploration of space. Russia must maintain its status as a leading space power. Therefore, the development of our space capabilities will continue to be a priority for the government.
But former Russian cosmonaut Georgy Grechko says that will be a challenge.
Russia's situation is quite different. On one side, we don't want to lag behind developed countries in the Moon and Mars exploration. However, I don't know if our economy will be able to stand it. People call us a great space empire, but I always say that if we get rid of the word great, we'll probably be able to manage more things.
Vladimir Putin, the head of Russia's space agency Roscosmos, says he hopes that by 2030 Russia would have a base on the Moon as a stepping stone for missions to Mars. It's a vision that Russia's first man in space would have shared.
The future prospects of Soviet space exploration and science are big. We really want to fly. Our health allows it. Our ships are good. We will fly more. We will fly longer, to the farthest places. My friends, even the most distant of planets are reachable.
And so, on the 52nd anniversary of Yuri Gagarin's historic flight, that vision is becoming ever closer.